So we just came to the pumpkin patch.
Yeah, I like them. They're funny.
You can like, when you walk in, you can buy some food right away and stuff. Burgers. So we found like this little house, and you like can go in here. Then a couple pumpkins in here, windows, and then another window. It's fun. Oh, big pumpkin patch here. So we're now gonna go on the tractor. And now we're on the tractor.
Here we go.
There's Christmas trees. We just arrived at the corn maze over there.
This year it has a Seahawks theme. Samuel, Jonathan, you ready?
Yep. Yes. Yes.
Let's go.
Oh,
Я думаю, нам направо. We got a trivia game, and if you fill it all out, you can get a chance to win Seahawks tickets.
Oh, 15. This is the last one.
Shoot out, bro.
I didn't listen. Restart.
Okay, ready? If you love mama, clap your hands. We're going backwards, bro.
See, Ma?
We found it. Let's go. We found the exit, I think. We just made it out.
With a little bit of an adventure. Yeah, 30-40 minutes to get through this maze. On time for the tractor, wow.
Just outside Drew's last one.
Time to go back. Going to see what's inside the gift shop. Prices for the apple donuts. We decided to buy the 4-piece fudge and a bag of the apple donuts. Samuel, how's your chocolate walnut? Good?
Good.
Jonathan, Reese's? Good? This is also really good. There's a little playground for the boys. And also over there you have a pillow, jumping pillow.
Your mom in your face? Hey, Marita. Hey, one over.
This train over there is extra charge. Obviously, Gloria. Jonathan, іди вибирай свій велосипед. Хочеш великого?
Watch out, you got people coming! They're gonna run you over!
Another playground. It's more like an obstacle course. Jonathan is ready to go down the zip line.
Let me go with it. Let me go with it. 3, 2, go!
Now it's time for
So
the pillow.
we're going to the pillow.
Yeah, we're going to the pillow.
Bro, we gotta полетать and shit.
Давай, Jonathan!
I know she'll go without me. Dallas.
Sima.
Dallas is going. Is coming down? Very bumpy.
Mom, done is in
Over at the cows.
Take the flag, Gloria. So fun here. Yeah.
Stop. Our last stop is the animal barn. And then you have Gloria and Paul. Kids can also play over here.
Oh yeah. Like they had.
And then a little kiddies. Some unique pumpkins.
Bought some corn, a pumpkin, and overall we had a really fun day here.